Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable freezing credit at Experian via app step by step clearly. Open the Experian app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Log into your account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the Credit Freeze section. This option may be found under the Security or Account Management tabs. Click on Freeze My Credit to begin the process. You will see information about what freezing your credit means. Read through the details carefully and confirm that you want to proceed. Next, you may be prompted to verify your identity for security purposes. Follow the prompts to complete any necessary verification steps. After verification, you will arrive at the Credit Freeze Setup page. Here, select the option to freeze your credit. Review the terms and conditions associated with freezing your credit. Once you've read everything, confirm your choice by clicking on Submit or Confirm. You should receive a notification confirming that your credit is now frozen. Take note of any PIN or confirmation number provided for future reference. To lift the freeze later, return to the Credit Freeze section in the app. That's it. Your credit is now frozen, helping to protect you from identity theft. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.